friends, did you meet my frogs? Did you saw them jump? Okay, so do you want to know how did I make them and how did I make them jump? Then I'm going to tell you the amazing facts of frogs, life cycle of frogs, and how do we make frogs that can jump made out of paper. As you know, a group of sheep is called flock, a group of flies is called pride, a group of fish is called school, and do you know what is a group of frogs called? It is called army, and a group of toad is called knot. The study of frogs called is herpetology, and frogs are found all over the world. Okay guys, you know, frogs lay their eggs under the water and the tadpoles came out to frog the eggs. And do you know, frogs sleep with their open eyes. Frogs hibernate in the winter time. Frog has great night visions that they can see from the night. Frogs are carnivores, that means they eat meat. The golden dart frog's could kill up to 1,000 people. Every type of frog makes its own special sound. The average lifespan of a frog is between 10 to 14 years. Some frogs don't have tongue, they use fingers to catch their prey. The world's largest frog species is known as the globe frog. A frog's eyes and nose are on the very top of their heads. Friends, let me tell you about amazing frogs. Do you know about wood frog? Wood frog in winter it freezes and then it becomes back to normal. Australian water-holding frogs, they can wait up to 7 years for rain. It burrows underground and surrounds itself in a transparent cocoon made of its own shed skin. And do you know what is my favorite frog? Blue cheese frog. It has red body and blue legs and it is very poisonous. Because of the blue legs, it is called a blue cheese frog. I also like the glass frog. Isn't it amazing? You can see the heart and the lungs and everything you can see. There is a frog in Indonesia that has no lungs. It breathes entirely through its skin. Now let's talk about life cycle of frog. Let's talk about life cycle of frog. There is 5 stages of a life cycle of a frog. So number 1 is an egg. Second one is a tadpole. The third one, it is a tadpole with 2 legs. Fourth is tadpole with 4 legs. And number 5, it is an adult frog. The female frog lays eggs on the water. And then, after a few days, the tadpole comes out from the eggs. This is the second stage. Then tadpole gets 2 legs, that is the third stage. And its tail is becoming shorter and shorter. In the fourth stage, the tadpole gets 4 legs. And the tail start to disappear. And they leave the water and it is a fully grown frog. Adult frog lays eggs and the cycle continues. Now friends, we're going to do the activity and now we're going to make these beautiful jumping frogs. So guys, you need this green paper and you need to fold it like this. And you need to cut the extra part. Now you made a perfect square and now you need to fold it in a half here. Can you see the eggs falling on the paper? We need these to make the frog. Now guys, you need to fold the paper like this and put one finger over here, and now you got a diamond shape. And now you're going to make the legs of the frog. You need to fold it like this, put one finger over here, put one right over here, and one right here. Okay, so you need to right over here. So guys, it will look like this. Now we fold like this and this. This is the upper body. Our frog is almost ready. It is not going to jump, so we need to make it jump. Guys, now we're going to fold the tail, and it will look like this. Put the side portions in the tail pocket. Guys, it will look like this. Now we have to make a spring to jump. First make upward fold, then backward fold. Then guys, it will look like this. Now guys, we need googly eyes to make it more real. Okay, so guys, we got googly eyes to make it more real. So also we need glue to make it. Such a one right over here, one here. Why is it not sticky? You mean the glue? Let's just stick it. Okay, it's done. Now I'm gonna put the other one. Let's see whether it can jump or not. Oh, it jumped. Oh, it jumped. Thank you for watching my froggy video, and try it at home to make this. If you don't know, keep watching this channel. And just like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.